Delmy says, hi, here is another amazing question on fraction. We have two real constants, a and b. For the expression, we see this, given that x plus 2 and x minus 2 are factors of the expression. So this means that when we use the x plus 2, okay, substitute the value of x plus 2 into the expression here, we should be getting 0, meaning the remainder should be 0 because it's a factor. And that takes us to the remainder theorem for polynomial function. So in first step, what you do is to equate this to 0 and make x the subject. Then we substitute into this. So we'll be having x plus 2 equals 0, okay, which will be x equals negative 2. And we substitute into this, so we're having a bracket open negative 2 cube plus 3 negative 2 exponent 2 minus 8 negative 2 plus b. It should be equals to 0 because this is a factor for the expression. So the remainder, the answer should be 0. So we simplify this, then we'll be getting negative 8 8e, then plus 12 plus 16 plus b equals 0. So we simplify this as well. So we have negative 8a plus b equals negative 28. So we can make this as our first equation, so equation 1. We do the same thing for x minus 2 as well. So we'll be having x minus 2 equals 0. So we'll be having x equals 2. Okay, so we put that into the equation, into the expression, and we form an equation, a 0 equation as well. So we have a bracket open 2 exponent 3 plus 3 2 exponent 2 minus 8 times 2 plus b equals 0. So this should be 8a plus 12 minus, do this, 16 plus b equals 0. So we simplify this, so we get 8a plus b equals 4, and that should be equation 2. So we solve equation 2 and 1 simultaneously. So since the constant here, okay, the constant to a, that is the coefficient of a, and the coefficient of the a here are similar, you forget the sign, forget the sign. Since they are similar, we can easily solve. Okay, so now because this is the sign attached to this is negative and the sign attached to this is positive, we can add the two. If you want to eliminate the b, we subtract because the sign here are the same. This is plus and this is plus. So to eliminate it, we use subtraction. So I will use addition. So I will add equation 1 to 2. So you're having my equation 1, which is negative 8, negative 8, okay, plus 2 plus b, sorry, equals negative 28. Then you have 8a plus b equals 4. Then we add. Okay, so this 0 and this 2b equals negative 24. You're looking for b, so you divide both sides by 2, you get negative 12. So that is b. You put the b into any of the equations, so I will use equation 2. Okay, so we have 8a plus negative 12, that is b, equals 4. So you have 8a, this take the inverse, so you get 16. 16, so divide both sides by 2, so you get a equals, divide both sides by 8, sorry, so you get a equals 2. So you have this. So you have a is 2 and b is negative 12. Thank you.